Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this issue on Windows 11 operating system. In the first step, just right click on this Windows icon, select settings, then on this window we need to select privacy and security, then just scroll down and search for microphone, so expand it and make sure all these access are enabled. Turn on all the access, so this will fix your issue. After that, simply move to the next method. Simply go to control panel and click here to open it. Once we are here, select large view by as the large icons, then scroll down and we need to click on sounds, so click here to open it. Once we are here, we need to just right click on it, select properties and make sure the device usage is selected. Use this device enable option. So after that, just go to levels tab and keep this up to the 100%, then click on OK and close all windows one by one. Then go to search bar, type your device manager, click here to open it. Now just expand audio or inputs and outputs, right click on microphone, select properties. Now on this window we need to just go to drivers tab, select update drivers, select the first option. Make sure you are connected with your internet connection, then it will automatically install the latest drivers for the particular device. Then close this window, close all windows one by one. Then simply go to search bar, type your settings, open it, then just scroll down, click on about, again scroll down, select advanced system settings. Now on this window we need to select hardware tab and click on device installation settings. Once you are here, make sure you are selected this option no, then save the changes and close the windows. And the last method is simply open settings and just click on troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters and from playing audio select run. So this will try to detect the problem related to the particular device and it will show you how to fix that issue. Once done, we need to close this window and restart the system. That's it guys, your problem will be solved. You're good to go. Don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe our channel.